So good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is 29th of December 2020, very close to the year end. और आज इतना अच्छा सनराइज आप लोग को देखने मिल रहा है. So this is the new place that we shifted to from the complex that we were in. So आज का प्लान ये है कि आज हम लोग सिर्फ लोकल गुरुद्वारे एंड we'll be within the area of Nanded itself. We are not going out today, not much of long distance traveling. आज हम लोग सिर्फ 10-12 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में ही ट्रैवल करेंगे एंड every place that we are planning to go is very close by. It's not very far. So वो एक प्लान है. बाइक्स नीचे खड़ी है, वो भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. दिस इज़ where the bikes are. That is Ajinkya's bike, that is my bike. पहले यहाँ पे एक ट्रक या बस कोई खड़ा था, but today morning we have got people who have come from various other places, Punjab or maybe other remote areas and other places. So that is one. बाकी तो सब एकदम मस्त है. लुक एट द सन, आप लोग को दिख रहा है. सो इट्स क्वाइट गुड. बहुत अच्छे से सुबह हुई है यहाँ पे. सो इट्स अ गुड ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग एंड होपफुली इट शुड बी अ गुड डे फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे. तो अभी नेक्स्ट इन प्लान इज़ कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं अपने फेवरेट पराठा के प्लेस पे टू हैव गुड आलू दे पराठे एंड दैट इज़ एट बिल्ला दूध वाला विच इज़ राइट आउटसाइड द कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो विदाउट फर्दर एनी ड्यू वी विल गो देयर एंड हैव ब्रेकफास्ट. अच्छे से चाय पी जाएगी और फिर डे हम शुरू करेंगे. टुडे लाइक आई सेड प्लान वाज टू कवर डोमेस्टिक and local gurudwaras. So the first gurudwara that we covered was the Nagina Ghat Gurudwara. It is right at the banks of Godavari. So this is the gurudwara as it looks. Very peaceful है, बहुत मज़ा आया जाके. So the story behind this place is what I'm going to zoom into. You guys can take a snapshot, read all about it. This is the story. I hope you guys can read it. You guys can take a snapshot of it, read it. You will get to know the history of this Gurudwara. चलो अभी नेक्स्ट गुरुद्वारा चलते हैं एंड देन वहाँ से देखते हैं क्या है. इट्स अबाउट 100 meters फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, नॉट वेरी फार. सो लाइक आई सेड 12 to 10 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में ही रहेंगे आज हम, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाएंगे. सो लेट्स गो. हियर इज द सेकेंड गुरुद्वारा. इस गुरुद्वारे का नाम है बंदा घाट गुरुद्वारा. सो दिस इज़ जस्ट 100 meters फ्रॉम द प्लेस दैट गाइज. दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर गुरुद्वारा, बंदा घाट साहिब. होप यू गाइज कैन रीड इट. दिस इज़ द इंग्लिश वर्जन, दिस इज़ द हिंदी वर्जन एंड दिस इज़ द पंजाबी वर्जन. So guys, you can obviously take a snapshot, read the history. All the gurudwaras that we are visiting today has got huge history to itself, and with me you guys also will visit all these gurudwaras, take a glance at what I'm seeing. I'm going to show it to you and I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, please like, subscribe to the channel and give us a like, comment down below. And yeah, now I think we'll go inside and check out the Gurudwara from inside also. action taken. यहाँ पे सब नाम है for the local gurudwaras that we are visiting. I'll just zoom into this. You guys can read it. We've been to this one and this one. This is Nagina Ghat. This is Banda Ghat. Next will be from this only. I don't know because I can't read Punjabi, but my friend did, so I could tell you guys. So अब चलते हैं दूसरे गुरुद्वारा. Guys, we are at the third Gurudwara. This one is called Shikara Ghat. This is how the Gurudwara looks. Shikar Ghat, sorry. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. It's at a very good location. Thanks to our friend Jasdev, he knows these places. So we are today going to do a little pilgrimage kind of a ride in and around Nanded. तो ये बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. आज पूरा दिन हम लोग ऐसे ही गुरुद्वारास विज़िट करेंगे और you also guys can see all the gurudwaras through my lens. Third stop है at a Gurudwara. It's called Shikar Gurudwara. You guys must have read the story. It has got great history, as you can see right here behind me. What a beautiful place. बहुत ही अच्छी जगह लग रही है. There's a sarovar, as in a lake, artificially made, obviously. It's right here. ऐसी जगहों पे आना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You get that sense of peace and quiet over here. There's no disturbance, no nothing. You know, sit under a tree, meditate. You want to just sit, close your eyes, maybe just sit and maybe think about something or think nothing. ये सब करके बहुत शांति मिलती है. It's a great place to be. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And like I always say, I'm really thankful that I'm doing all this today. I don't know where I would be right now if I wasn't here at this present moment. It's a big moment for me actually, visiting all these gurudwaras. It's a good place. So when we go inside, maybe I'll show you guys what's inside, if photography is allowed. Right now we don't know because we are in the main compound of the Gurudwara. I don't know whether the photography will be allowed or not, but we'll show you. If it is allowed, we'll see it. Guys, we are done with शिकार घाट गुरुद्वारा. अभी हम और एक गुरुद्वारा पे जा रहे हैं. गुरुद्वारा का नाम क्या है जस्ट?
माता साहेब जी गुरुद्वारा.
माता साहेब जी बिंदोरा. It is right at the river's bank, very close to the bank of the river. फिर वहाँ जाके I'll see you guys. गाड़ी अंदर ले सकते हैं? Come to our fourth Gurudwara, the Mata Sahib Gurudwara, and great place. Just have a look. It looks very nice. So we'll go inside and then I'll continue. We have visited the inside of Guru Mata the Gurudwara and Mata Sahib Gurudwara. Sorry. Basically, photography was not allowed inside after a certain point, so I had to stop recording. Now we are on the back side of the Gurudwara, very close to the river. I'll show you guys that side. This is the back side of the Gurudwara. These are the staircases. So guys, this is our fifth Gurudwara for the day, and it's called Gurudwara Mal Tekri Sahib. So this is the way in, and this is the story of the Gurudwara. Sorry, थोड़ा plant बीच में आ रहा है, so I will just raise it up. I hope you guys can read it. If not, no problem. Hindi wala thoda clear hai. Guys can take a snapshot of this and read all about it. So this will be the entry point. We'll enter the Gurudwara from here, and I'll see you guys inside if again the photography is allowed. If not, then visit करके बाहर आके I'll get back. हाँ जी
यूट्यूबर क्या है?
हाँ जी
यूट्यूबर है।
हाँ जी
और देखते हैं लगा मैं कैमरा वाला सोशल मीडिया तो मालूम हो जाता। सोशल मीडिया यूज करने बनते यूट्यूबर क्या है।
काफी
तुम्हारी से ना?
हाँ जी
देखते
आप देखते हो यूट्यूब?
अरे यूट्यूब दिन भर क्या बर्टेड वही काम है।
हाँ वो इनको पता है, जसदेव को पता है, तो वो ये करेंगे। आप अपना नाम बताइए।
मनिंदर सिंह जी।
मनिंदर सिंह जी, ओके चलो थैंक यू। तो दैट वाज मनिंदर सिंह जी, ही इज़ लुकिंग आफ्टर द गुरुद्वारा एंड ही वर्क्स हियर, सो न्यू सब्सक्राइबर आई थिंक। अगर आप देख रहे हो मनिंदर सिंह जी, देन थैंक यू फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग। So guys, we have made it to our 6th Gurudwara, and this is called the Sangat Sahib, correct? Gurudwara Sangat Sahib. Now it is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we have just arrived in the Gurudwara. अब यहाँ पे पैर माथा टेकते हैं और फिर let's see what else we can do. So guys, it's about 6 o'clock in the evening और हम आए हैं एक जगह पे जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे पकोड़े बनते हैं, और हमने पकोड़े मंगा लिए हैं और 3 चाय मंगा लिए. So we'll have tea and pakodas. Then today being the last day in Nanded, we'll go and attend the main prayers today. और कल का प्लान ये है कि we'll be heading to Bidar, which is in Karnataka, and we'll go and visit the Gurudwara on that side, and after that we'll be heading towards Pune, taking this Solapur route, which is better. Most of the people suggested that because the route that we took, like you guys already seen, that it was really bad. The road patch is not that good. बाकी तो सब ठीक ठाक ही जा रहा है. बस आज का ब्लॉग यहीं पे कंक्लूड करते हैं. So with that said, if you have liked the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the upcoming vlogs.